Okay, everybody, we're back again, and let's have a look at we practically have the same project we had earlier on with the LED, and now we just add a button, and we're going to press the button, the light goes on, and when you release the button, the light goes off. Okay, so I'm gonna plug the button. I will put the button on D2, pin number 2. It's connected, and then I'm going to put it on the ground, ground it with a resistor. This is 10K resistor. A 10K resistor, and you can see the connection here. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. And then I'm going to run the program. The program is similar to the previous one. The button, in this case, require a button pin. Input is an input button, and it's a pull-up button, which is a resistor pull-up. We have pull-up and pull-down resistors. In this case, it's a pull-up. And the other things is here, if the button is pressed, the button is equal low, means it's off. Turn the lid on when the button is obviously is released, and the LED pin is high, and when the button is released, it's low. When it's pressed, it's high. And have a look at it now. LED is on, LED is off, LED is on, and now it's off. Pretty simple, eh? And that's it. There's not much explanation here in this case. I mean, yeah. Thank you very much.